Hello viewers, welcome to Shah News. Today's news headlines. KTR attacked PM Modi. TRS BJP shirking for job issues. Budget session after March 15. Continuing with his stringent attack on centre, TRS working president KTR Rao said Prime Minister Narendra Modi's rupees 20 lakh crores Atmanirbhar package was a hollow as nobody got the money in their account. Taking a pot shot at PM, KTR said Modi talked about crores, but in reality it was pakodi. Addressing TRS students' wings member at Telangana Bhavan, KTR said, when we talk about employment generation, Modi talk about pakodi. He claimed if anybody sells pakodi, it is because of him. TRS government has come out with a list of jobs provided to unemployed youth and facts and figures. He said the center has been showing an empty hands to Telangana in every sector. Is Telangana not a part of this country? He said some leaders are making an uncharitable comments and abusing CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao. It is a strategic silence. We will give a befitting reply to those who are resorting to this abuse. KTR said, KCR is like a weapon hanging on the wall. It will act when the times come. KTR said the party would complete 2 decades this April 27th. KCR fought with Chandrababu Naidu one side and Congress on the other. KCR did not have either muscular power nor money power, but with commitment and hard work, he emerged as a powerhouse and gives jitters to former CMs. KTR said targeting the BJP knows only to play a commercial cards or Indo-Pakistan issue to divert the attention of the people on major issues. Congress questioned silence of TRS and BJP on the rising unemployment problem and demanded that both the parties explain to the people how their government are going to solve it before seeking votes. Telangana Congress President N. Uttam Kumar Reddy said TRS and BJP were indulging in the blame game to divert attention of the people from the failure of their governments in the state and at the centers. TRS and BJP leaders should speak about unemployment in Telangana and share details of the job loss since 2014. Both parties have been in the power since 2014 and their leaders must learn how to act like representatives of the ruling parties. Congress is exposing the failure of TRS and BJP governments. It is a duty of the ruling TRS in Telangana and BJP at the center to suggest solution. CM K. Chandrasekhar Rao said the loss to the state exchequer due to the pandemic is rupees 50,000 crores, starting that the budget session is likely to begin after 15th March. The CM said state government will focus on the revenue mobilization by auctioning government lands in the city to fund various welfare schemes. From some sectors, allocations will be more compared to the previous budget. He said the state government is likely to make allocation for new schemes such as unemployment allowances and also make budgetary provisions for government employees for pay revisions, while continuing welfare schemes such as Raitu Bhima, Raitu Bandhu pensions, scholarship, Kalyan Lakshmi, Shadi Mubarak, KCR Kids and other schemes. He said ship rearing scheme would be continued. Chief Minister said the modelization for budgetary estimations have been prepared and the department-wise details will be finalized. The Finance Minister will hold meeting with the various departments like R&B, Panchayat Raj, Municipal and Administrations, Education and Irrigation departments separately along with the officers consider on the budget requirement and allocations. Once the budget proposals are ready, the CM will hold a final review meeting to give a final touches to the budget presentation. Like our channel. For more details, please subscribe and click the bell icon.